In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT conversation not found. If you're seeing the message conversation not found in ChatGPT, don't worry. This usually points to a simple session, cache, or connectivity issue. I'll walk you through a clean sequence of fixes, explain why each one helps, and share a few practical tips as we go. Start by refreshing the page a handful of times. Give it 4 or 5 reloads and leave a few seconds between each one. This forces the browser to renegotiate the session and re-request the conversation. If it's just a transient hiccup with the connection or a delayed response from the server, a couple of deliberate refreshes often bring the thread back. If that doesn't do it, sign out of your account and sign back in to refresh your session tokens. Sessions expire, and stale tokens can cause the service to lose track of your chat history. Make sure you fully log out, close any duplicate ChatGPT tabs, then sign back in using the same method you normally use. This gives you a clean, valid session. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, or the app data if you're on mobile. Temporary files can conflict with updated scripts or stored session information. In your browser settings, clear cookies and site data, specifically for chatgpt.com. If you want to avoid logging out of other sites, then close and reopen the browser. On mobile, clearing the app's data achieves the same reset, removing corrupted or outdated temporary files. Before you go further, check status.openai.com to see if there's an active incident. If the platform is experiencing a partial outage or degraded performance, the best move is to wait for the all clear. Trying to troubleshoot during an incident can be misleading because the issue isn't on your device. If everything looks healthy, temporarily turn off VPNs, proxy servers, and browser extensions that might restrict access. Privacy filters, ad blockers, or strict security tools can block essential scripts or network calls ChatGPT needs to load your conversation. Disable them for a moment, refresh, and see if the chat returns. If the conversation still isn't visible, open Settings, go to Data Controls, then Manage Archive to see if the chat was accidentally archived. If you find it there, unarchive it and it will reappear in your list. Finally, if the chat was deleted, it is unfortunately unrecoverable. Going forward, consider organizing important threads or periodically exporting content you need to keep. Follow these steps in order, and you'll resolve most conversation not found errors quickly and confidently.